Hi, my name is Fletcher Wimbush. I'm the CEO of Discover, a performance hiring platform. Today, I want to talk to you about the use of video. I'm talking to you on a video. You're watching it. So why is video so important to hiring and recruiting? It's obvious. In this day and age, it doesn't really matter what generation you are at this point, we all like to consume content via video. But that's especially true for the millennials and the TikTok Gen Zers. So, even better yet, make a TikTok for crying out loud. And I haven't even figured that part out yet. But here's the point. This is a war for talent. In our previous videos, we talked a lot about making job advertisements that actually will engage or 10x the quality and the volume of candidates that you're getting for positions. Well, video is another one of those significant boosters to not only engaging the talent pool, but getting those applicants to apply. Oh, and not only that, but make them more engaged throughout that hiring process. You hear stories left and right of employers being ghosted at every stage of the hiring process. Well, video is a way for you to engage your ideal candidates from the very beginning, from the moment that they've discovered your opportunity, all the way through to the point you're making an offer. So I like to create a couple of different types of videos that we put in to different stages of the hiring process. The first place a video goes is on the job advertisement itself. So Indeed will allow you to actually post a video. They have very stringent requirements. You need to do a very, very short video, small file size, and get that in there. So that's going to be just a quick hitting, tell them who you guys are, what you do, and how you serve the world, and why working here is great in like 30 seconds. Second, the moment they apply, I immediately have an auto-respond kind of email that goes out that says, thanks them for their application, sends them a link to my website or About Us page, and includes another video. This is a great place to put a video from your CEO, president, hiring manager, talking about the company's mission, the vision, why it's a great place to work, and how this particular role helps the world and the company achieve its goals. Third, once we engage this person, we start to take them to the next level, right? So they apply, send them a nice auto-responded message, feels pretty personalized with this video and some personalized content, links to our website or Glassdoor page so they can see all the great reviews that we get. And I'm inviting them to an interview. This is a great opportunity to do maybe one of two different types of videos. One would be just sort of a little case study on somebody in the role. I'm hiring a frontline manufacturing worker whose job is to pick boxes and unload those and put them in the machines and work through that stuff. Interview one of those folks who does it really, really well on your team and have them share a little bit about their story, the day in the life of that job, right? So they're getting a bit of a job preview before they even do their first interview. Again, that keeps them sticky. If they like what they heard, they're going to be all in, and they're going to make sure to show up to that interview, not ghost because maybe they're interviewing at 3 other places. The other type of interview or video I like to use would be maybe immediately after that first interaction. Again, maybe we can flip-flop these two, but one would be a video testimonial montage. So in that montage, it's pretty simple. You interview a bunch of people who work at your company. You pull out your Google Pixel 6, your iPhone 37, or whatever you got, just like I'm doing today. This is basic, low-budget stuff. And you just ask them a couple of questions about why working at the company is great and what they do there, and how it's helped them grow professionally and personally, and help them have a better quality of life overall, right? So that's it. It's as simple as that. You're going to get a 2-minute video out of 5, 10 people, and voila, you've got video testimonials you can share with your incoming candidates, future employees, that can get them excited, help them understand, meet some of their coworkers, learn a little more about their perspective, not the boss's perspective, on why this is a great place to work. Lastly, you can do some personalized videos as you get later in the process, thanking them for taking steps in the process, thanking them for going through multiple interviews, assessment tests, providing references, whatever it is. I like to use that personal touch, adding a video, sharing with them how appreciative you are of taking little steps. So that's how you can take this to the next level. Here's a little hack too. So I know I've talked to a lot of companies about this. A lot of them are super intimidated. They're like, oh, I need this big production crew, and I got to spend a lot of money on videographers and scripting and all this stuff. Nonsense. Again, pull out your iPhone 37, whatever, any modern phone these days. We can do a totally sufficient job, but also it's real, right? People like real. This isn't Snapchat. We don't need a bunch of filters, making this look, special and glamorous. Show people reality, right? And the quality of video is just fine. Some of our customers, we are doing recruitment marketing videos. So send us these videos and we will help you turn them into something that looks amazing, that fits your brand, and takes them to that next level for you. And we turn them around in like a week. So please take us up on that offer. Get your phone out, record some of these videos, send them over to us, and we'll help you get those to the next level if you're worried about the quality of the content that you're putting out there. And if you're a bigger company, you got a budget for it, and your marketing department's got all the equipment, then let them get after it, right? So either way, super easy. I mean, you can get this done in half a day, and you're going to really ramp up the quality and volume of candidates that you got. In our next video, I'm going to lay out which types of questions I like to ask when I'm doing those video testimonials for future hires. If you like this content, please hit like, hit subscribe, get these videos in real time. Look forward to seeing you in the next episode.